welcome back to Midland Public Library's Junior Engineers, the program where kids like you get to tackle epic, open-ended engineering design challenges. My name's Jen, and I'm the Maker Place Coordinator here at MPL. As always, there are 4 activities for you to complete on Beanstack. First, you'll watch. Second, you'll make. Third, you'll share. And fourth, you'll reflect. You'll do all these things to earn the weekly challenge badge. Okay, this week's engineering design challenge is to, drumroll, build the tallest tower you can using only 3 materials. By completing this challenge, you'll earn the 3 materials challenge badge. In your Take and Make kit this week, you got everything that you need to complete this challenge. Let's take a look inside.
You got your challenge instruction booklet, a cut and paste ruler that you can use to measure the height of your structure, some popsicle sticks, small cups and craft cubes, and 3 bonus challenges. Woo!
Okay, so in addition to those materials, you're also gonna need something to write with, of course. When completing the engineering design challenge, make sure to follow the engineering design process, a set of steps that's gonna really help you think through your work. Remember, there are 5 steps in the process. 1, ask and define. 2, imagine and brainstorm. 3, plan and gather materials. 4, create and test, the best one. And 5, reflect and improve. And don't forget about honorary step number 6, tidy up after yourself. It's time for this week's quick tip. For this week's quick tip, I want to encourage you to try the 3 bonus challenges that are in your kit. All of these challenges use the exact same materials, but they ask you to use them in very different ways, which challenges your brain to rethink and revise your plan. So go ahead and try those 3 bonus challenges. Well, that's all I had for you this week, Junior Engineers. And so, as I say every time, build it your way, no one else's. Thanks for watching this week, guys. Good luck with the weekly engineering design challenge, and I will see you next time. Bye.